In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero invoice templates and how to apply them in your business. So let's dive right in and get started with Xero. First things first, head over to the Xero accounting software website and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're prompted, enter your email and password, then click on the login button to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you should see the name of your company. Click on your company name, which will reveal additional options for managing your accounts. Among these options, locate and click on Settings. This section is where you'll configure various aspects of your business account. Now, under the Settings menu, navigate to and select Invoice Settings. This is where you can manage and customize your invoicing. Look for the New Branding Theme button and click it to begin creating a new invoice template. You'll want to give your invoice template a distinctive name, something that clearly identifies its purpose or client. With your new template named, it's time to customize its appearance. Xero allows you to adjust options like fonts, colors, and layouts. Take your time in this section to ensure your invoices not only look professional but also align with your brand's image. Remember, consistency is key in maintaining a strong business identity. Next, you'll need to add payment details to your invoice template. In the Terms and Payment Advice section, enter your bank account information and any other important payment details your clients will need. This step ensures that your clients have all the necessary information to remit payment efficiently and correctly. Once you've added and reviewed all the necessary details, click on Save to apply your changes. With your new template saved, go back to the Invoice Settings page. Here you should see the template you just created. Selecting it will set it as your current invoice format. To enhance your business's brand identity, consider uploading your logo to your invoice emails. To do this, find the option to upload an email logo. Click on Browse to locate the logo file on your computer, then upload it to the platform. Having your logo on your invoices adds a professional touch and helps make your communications easily recognizable. Finally, whenever you create a new invoice, you'll have the option to select the branding theme you've just set up. Using this polished template will ensure that all your invoices maintain a consistent look and clearly communicate who they are from. And there you have it. Setting up and applying invoice templates in Xero is straightforward and can really enhance your business's professional image. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these steps will help streamline your invoicing process.